If you've worked with HPS before, you already know that an HPS pigging system will solve some of your biggest challenges. It will speed up changeovers, it'll cut waste, increase yields, reduce labor costs, and be better for the environment. But when you partner with HPS on a project like this, what it's really doing is making your working life easier. Ultimately, there's less stress because we support you to work in an optimal way for the long term. We guide you through the process and extend that support long after commissioning. Of course, plenty of operations continue without a pigging system. But can they be more efficient? The answer is yes. We work best with businesses that are looking for that edge, that want to do things better in order to grow, that want the most efficient operation possible. Our proven technology has made this happen for our clients, and we can make it happen for you too. We're ready to get started. Are you?